Hey guys, today we are going to change radar magnetron. Before doing any electrical work, before follow the logout tagout procedure, isolate all the electrical powers from main switchboard and local switch. Now we are going to switch off this local switch of the radar transmission unit. This is S-band radar. We are going to change the magnetron. Every ship magnetron have running hour. Some magnetron have 6,000 running hours, some have 5,000 running hour. Every running hour we need to change this magnetron of the radar. Now open the top cover of the transmission unit and check again power supply for safety, because sometime he stores static energy, sometime many types of energy we don't know about that. Then better you check every point power supply. Now we open, we can see this is magnetron. We need to replace this magnetron. This is a magnetron. We know. Now we are going to check again power supply. Any type of power supply. There is no power supply. This is two magnetron. One is old, one is new. It is very important to check this cable length of new magnetron and old. This must be equal, because if cable length is more, then during the vibration and something, the cable is moving more. That is a danger for loose connection. To better check exact cable size, and we cut this cable and make like this old magnetron. See, now we cut the cable and make the same cable size, and now we're going to put back this new magnetron. After every change of the magnetron, keep old magnetron when receive new spare. If you have a spare on board, then we can throw in garbage. Otherwise, keep the standby, because sometimes new magnetron is not give good performance and echoes. Now put in the old magnetron and new magnetron. After changing the magnetron, we need to keep a radar standby for 30 minutes, because magnetron need to heat up for 30 minutes as per medical instruction. We keep the radar standby, and then after 30 minutes we going to start transmission receiving of the radar. Now see, we can put all the screw, because this is a ship equipment. There's a lot of the vibration and so many things is on board, and this is waterproof. Make it waterproof, because this unit is outdoor. Then better you can keep all the screw and don't keep any screw loose. Take proper time and do very important job on board this radar magnetron, because radar is eye of the ship. Now you're going to put the final cover and put this silicone also for any water leakage inside the panel. So friend, now we are going to complete magnetron change procedure and put the cover back and this local switch. Before we can going to make off. Now we're going to off, and now we're going to down and switch on the main breaker from the bridge. Now radar is ready for power on. Then we're going to switch on the power and put 30 minutes standby after use. Now see, radar is working properly. Second officer test all the test of radar performance, and he say now radar is working.